AlphaRay is an AI-powered platform designed to support clinicians in analyzing medical imaging more efficiently. As the volume of scans continues to grow, reviewing each case quickly while maintaining accuracy becomes increasingly challenging. The experience begins in the Home tab, where clinicians get a clear overview of their workload, including new scans, pending reviews, and flagged cases that may require attention. From there, the Scans tab serves as the core workflow. Clinicians can review incoming scans along with AI-generated insights that highlight potential areas of concern and provide confidence scores to support decision-making. Each scan connects to detailed findings, allowing users to quickly assess what the AI has detected while still maintaining full control over the final interpretation. As cases are reviewed, the Reports tab brings everything together into structured summaries, combining AI-generated insights with clinician input to produce clear, shareable reports. The Patients tab provides a broader view of each case over time, linking scans and reports together to give important clinical context. For ongoing learning, the Learn tab offers educational content and case-based examples, helping users better understand how AI insights are generated and applied. By combining AI-driven analysis with a structured workflow, AlphaRay helps clinicians review cases more efficiently while maintaining confidence in their decisions.